Is it? Can you feel it? I mean, in just a few moments, you're gonna be at your most vulnerable moments in your life. You're gonna be in front of thousands of people. That's what you've been fighting for. I mean, I can't think of a better moment to reflect. Can you? Remember that day? You stood in front of that wasteful television. You were watching that live band. They really convinced you into thinking that throwing all your life away, throwing all your hard work, was the best choice of your life. You left behind your family, your possession, your whole life. Maybe your happiness. Your voice, which you thought sounded like butterflies in a spring day. Actually, you sound like bats in a cavern. You pluck into strings thinking you're playing a blues, but you're not. You're really not. It's been 7 years. 7 years since you picked up this life. It was your choice. Everything was your choice. You chose this life. 7 fucking years and you're still shit at this. You really think you're better than others? You really do. You're not. There's always people better than you. Maybe washing, cleaning other people's mess would have been a better fit for you. You're useless. You don't deserve anything. You suck at everything. Do you really think this is what you're fighting for? Think again. You can do it.